Okay. Under Python programming, what we were discussing is about Python operators, right? So first thing that we were discussing is mathematical operators or arithmetic operators. And let me summarize the things that we have learned first, and then let's move to the new lesson. First of all, let's open IDLE. So you can also open this IDLE, right? So do not search Python, just search IDLE, and then you can open it. After opening IDLE, the first thing to do is you can test this code IDLE itself. That means like you can test like this 4 plus 5 or 4 plus 6, 3 divided by 2 divided by 3. You can test here, but my recommendation is take a new file, go to file menu and take a new file and take an empty file for testing these things. Now, what we are going to test again is the arithmetic operators, mathematics. Okay, to test that, I will first print a heading. My heading is arithmetic operators. You can also create the program with me. And after that, I just want to print a new line. The print a new line, there are two methods. One is you can add this n character, \n character to print new line. Here you can add it, \n. Okay, \n can do this new line. Then another way of doing this is just printing empty line like this. Both will work. Now actually this will add one line and this will add another line. So there will be two lines. And after that we can print our first operator. It is addition. Addition. And addition is done by adding the numbers. That can be done two ways. So one thing is like you have, let's think that you have two variables, x equal 4 and y equal some other value 9. If you want to add them together, you can say print x plus y. Simplest way is printing x plus y. We'll add them together. Let me first save this as let's say arithmetic operators AO.py. You can use any name that you like. Then I'm running the module. When I run this, you can see the result. So how this came, because the arithmetic operators, after that a new line is there. There is empty line. This will also add a new line. And addition will also add a new line. That's why there's a gap. Or you can, so anyway, printing will add a new line. Printing will add a new line, and this will add a new line, and this will add a new line. There will be 3 new lines there. Right? This will go to the immediate line. Printing, after printing, next line. This is a new line. This is a new line, and this will be started. So if you want to reduce the number of new lines, you can just remove one. And here also you can remove one. Save it, run module. And now you can see. Okay, but remember that so adding new line can be done with \n as well as print command. Print will also automatically add a new line. \n will add additional new line. Print empty will add a new line. Just new line. Okay, so x plus y. So if you want to show this in a meaningful manner, you can tell like this rather than just printing x plus y. You can say x, comma, plus mark, comma, y, comma, equal mark, comma, x plus y. So then what will happen when you run this? You can see 4 plus 9 equal 13. There is another way of doing that. That is using string concatenation. You can add as a chain. So you have to first convert this to str or string x plus. This is for the concatenation. But in order to concatenate, the variable type should be same. Because this is a number. If you try to add number to a text, it won't work. But first I'm converting number to a text. Right? Here also this is, I'm going to plus again str, converting the number to text. And this is also plus, and converting the number to text by making str, typecasting, or typecasting or converting number to text. Here the second one will also give the same result. You can see the spaces are not given. The reason is here. I just need to put the spaces manually because this is just concatenation. And let me run it again. And you can see the results there. Okay, the first way is not concatenation. First way is just printing by giving as parameters. When there are multiple parameters or when there are multiple values separated by comma, it will automatically be displayed in a single line like this. This is not concatenation. I will write this. This is display by display using parameters. This is concatenation. Concatenation or adding strings. If you need a very good example of adding strings, so you can consider this. Let's say I just want to display full name. I can say print Dasun Nilanjana. This is example for adding strings. In the middle, you can keep some space to separate the names. So let's write this. This is concatenation. Now you can see. And if I want to print Dasun Nilanjana with 2023, if you try to add Dasun plus Nilanjana and 2023, it won't work. So what is the problem? Can you identify the issue? Hello?
Yeah, hold on, I'm thinking.
This will give
Dasun and Nilanjana don't have values.
Yeah, correct. This can be added because it's not having a value, but here it's a value. So what is the solution?
It would still be Dasun plus Nilanjana plus 2023 because 2023 cannot be added to a variable without being the same as the variable.
Yeah, it cannot be added to
variables
string,
cannot
right?
be added together since they are not the same variable, nor do they have the same value.
Yeah, they are not. The correct word is they are not. Your justification is correct. The correct way of telling this is they are not in same type, right? Variable means like something like this, right? Variable means a change in value. X is a variable, Y is a variable. I will write here itself. X is a variable to call value 4. Okay. X is a variable, Y is a variable. These are holding basically values. So those kind of things are called variables. So, and this 4 and 9, we can call them literals. These are values. Values are literals. Value 4. So 4 is a value, 9 is a value, addition is a value, arithmetic is a value. It's not a mathematical, but still a value. Plus is a value, equal is a value, Here, Dasun is a value. This is value. This is also. This is also. These are called literals. The correct way of telling that. Okay, these are not same type literals. These are not same. This and this are same, but 2023 is different. It is integer. It's an integer value or integer literal. This is a string value or string literal. We cannot add both together. The solution is, yes, what is the solution? You can convert this to a string literal. Understood?
Yeah.
Then all are same type. When all are same type, this will be added. Now you can see Dasun Nilanjana 2023. Yeah, it is added because we have converted that to a string literal. Okay. So I hope now you can just start doing this. These red color things are like just to explain the code, right? Without this red color comments, we call comments, it will work. This program will work without this red color comments, but I just use this red color comments to explain the code.
Okay.
Okay, so values assigned to variables or used in programs are called literals. They have a type. So example, you can say Dasun is a string literal of type string, or you can say str. X equal 4. 4 is an integer literal. Okay. So please do this code. Please write this code in your computer and test it quickly. Are it working, or is there anything that need to be fixed?
I'm not really sure. So let me share my screen and then show you.
Okay. Now you can. Now run it. You can save it and run it. Go to run and run module. Run and run module. Okay. Yeah, you can give any name and save there. So you can save it in documents if possible. Oh, okay. Good. Good that you have organized. Okay, just save it. Operators, oh, any name. .py. Yeah, now you can see the problems. They are okay. No, you have to use a comma, right? X after that a comma.
Oh.
Here, no, not inside the quotation. So you have to. So whatever the quotation inside the quotation is a string text. Okay, run it again now.
Yep.
Run it again. Click OK. Oh, you have only shared a single screen. I cannot see the other one. The reason is like you have to share the screen, entire screen. I cannot see the other one. Instead of selecting a screen, okay. Now I can see. Okay, it's working. Only thing is the problem is the space, right? In the name, you can just lay it at the in the either in the end of first name or the beginning of the last name, you can add a space.
So you want me to add another space in between these two?
You can, yeah, just to make it nicer, you can just add a, yeah, there is possibility, right? Okay, now you can run it.
So now let's
Okay,
run it.
so you can use any value, your name even, not just my name. You can
All right,
just
there.
okay. After
Let's
2023 or no, not there. That is what? That is a number. Adding space in front of number won't work. You can add a space after the name, after the second name.
yeah.
Within whatever the printed things that you need to mention in the string literal need to be added within quotation. Okay.
All right, there we go.
Okay.
That's good.
Right. Now, so this is actually just a refreshing lesson, right? The things that we have done last day, just refreshing it back with some more. Last day, we just do it. We just actually we just have like completed it without any formatting or nice printing, nothing. We just did, and but today we will do the same with some uh, like with nice. Actually, we are trying to present it nicely in the output. That is what we are doing. Okay, addition, now we have discussed. Similar to this, we can apply the other things. Okay, subtraction can be applied to numbers only. So we cannot subtract strings. It's only for numbers. And let me add few more. This is subtraction and then division, then multiplication, then modulation. Those are and exponent. Those are the things that we have already discussed. Subtraction. Then the next is division. Then multiplication. Please add them. Multiplication just. And not that the multiplication symbol is asterisk, but in order to show that in the output screen, I'm using simple x. Simple x like multiplication, that is what we are using normally. But in computer, it is asterisk. And then modulation or modulus. The modulus is basically the integer remainder. So I will write in front of that integer remainder. What remain after dividing something, that is mod operation. I will write a mod d. Here I'm using the percentage mark to do the task. And the last is exponent or power of something. So that can be done with this symbol. In order to get the exponent, you can use double asterisk. So let's run this and you will get this result in your output window. Okay, subtraction, division, multiplication, modulus, and okay. Add this to your coding now. And one more thing, the multiplication can be used for strings too. Therefore, I will add another line. This is string multiplication. That means if you have kind of string, let's use something like this here. I just want to multiply some character. Maybe I just want to multiply the dollar mark. Dollar mark, I want to multiply it. I can give this as a single string, right? Dollar mark, I can know. I want to multiply dollar mark from variable x. And that will be x into. Yes. Hello.
Oh no, I didn't say anything.
Okay. X into dollar mark. Let's run this, and you can see there are here $4. Similarly, let's use some other thing. You can use to you just want to multiply asterisk dollar asterisk multiple times. Here you can use asterisk dollar asterisk, any symbol, any word, any text you can multiply. Maybe something like hello, even say hi into x, and this will be hi. Okay, check out the results here. This into this is this, hi into 4 is this. Likewise, you can just multiply these. Now present it similar to the string presenting. Quick to do this. Right now, the first thing that we have done is like testing these operations. And if you can remember, like we have not just that, the other operators are there. So comparison operators, which will help to compare to variables or literals. So basically for this, this is applicable for these numbers. We can check whether one number is greater than the other one or less than, or whether those are. This can be applied for numbers and text both. Whether something is equal to some other thing. Two equal signs. Right? Two equal signs to check whether the equality, inequality or not equal can be tested using this. Not unequal, unequal or not equal. And greater than or equal, less than or equal. These are easy. You can test because we have already tried this. So only thing is you need to apply and test. How you can test? When you're testing, do like this. I will show application of one thing and you can replicate that. Okay, let's write comparison operators. New line, comparison operators. And after that, for the testing purpose, you can check whether, okay, let's use same x and y. You can say x greater than y. So after the equal sign, you can just text this x is greater than y. So similar to the arithmetic operators, you can apply and see the result. The application is different, but you can just check the result here. 4 greater than 9 is false. So here, rather than equal, let's use a symbol like this. Or maybe like this. Okay. 4 greater than 9, false. Okay, similar to that, you can test the other operations. Whether is it less than, equal to, not equal to, two equal signs. X is equal to y. You can check with double equal signs and see the results. X is 4 is equal to 9. No, it's false. It's not true. So likewise, you can check these operations. comparison operators basically. So then you have the logical operations and or not, right? And or not. That means in order to compare two things, you can use this and operation or operation not operation. So these are logical. How? Let me show here in the terminal or Python shell. If you say 3 greater than 4 and 5 greater than 3, so it's false. Why? Why it is false? Yes? Why it is false? Tevindu?
Yeah.
So why this is false? 3 greater than 4, 5 greater than 3.
Because 3 is not greater than 4.
Yeah. In order to get true, both of all conditions need to be true. Let's say 3 less than 4.
Then it will be true.
That will be true. In order to compare two things, we are using. So what about if you use O operation here? 3 greater than 4, O. 5 greater than 3. What will be the result? 3 greater than 4, O 5 greater than 3. Yes?
False. Oh wait, no, it says or.
It is O, yeah, it is O. So it is checking either way. This one or this one. This one is false, but this one is true. Therefore,
so I say 5.
5 greater than 3, therefore ultimate result is true. Understood? O is checking either way. Either first.
Yeah, so it only matters if only one of them is good.
Yeah. That is O operation. And not operation is basically the reverse. If I say not O greater than 6, it says yes. Not is reversing because right? Not will reverse. Okay, so that is how the logical operators are applied. And assignment operators. Assignment operators is basically assigning the value. Okay, let's say x equal 5, y equal 7. So what is x plus y? X plus y. If x is 5, y is 7, x plus y is
12.
Okay, then if I just say what is x? X is 5 and what is y? Y is 7. It remain unchanged. But if you say x plus equal y, x plus equal y. So what will happen? Now the value of x will change. This is similar to x equal x plus y. So x is already 5 and y is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. Now the x value of x will be 7. If I try to print x now, it will be x plus y. X is 5, y is 7, x plus y is 12. So x is now 12. And what is y? Y is still 7. Understood? The assignment operator will do the mathematics, will do the calculation and assign the value back to x. Or you can do the reverse. Y plus equal 3. So what is the value of y now? Print y.
10.
10. Exactly. Correct. Okay, this is a refreshing lesson. Today we have done this and we have completed this for because like you said, you cannot remember the things that we have done since we have done long time ago. And this was the lesson. And also we have discussed about this bitwise operators. Actually, bitwise operators, what it is basically it's doing this O operation or AND operation or NOT operation based on, it will first convert the number to binary. It will first convert the number to binary. Here 9 or 23. 9 will convert it to binary and O. 23 will convert it to binary. After that it will O. 1 or 1 is wow. 0 or 1 is 1. 0 or 1 is 1. 1 or 0 is 1. 0 or 1 is 1. Altogether, the answer is all ones. All ones means that will be converted back to decimal. So first it will convert to binary. After that, do the operation, and then you will convert back to decimal. And answer is 31. Can you remember this?
Yeah.
The AND operation, the same thing. AND operation, first it will convert the number here. You can see the AND operation. 23 and 10. 23 converted to binary, it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. 10 converted binary, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And N, 1 and 0, 0. 1 and 1, 1. 1 and 0, 0. 0 and 1, 0. 1 and 0, 0. So the answer will be 2. This is equal to 2. Okay. After that, O with 14. O with 14. Then 0 or 0, 0. 1 or 1, 1. 0 or 1, 1. 0 or 1, 1. That will be 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. That is 14. Okay. So that is bitwise operations. Okay, these are the operators we have quickly discussed today. The operators that we have learned. How the bitwise operators work, you need to refresh yourself by referring to the video or referring to the lesson that we have done last day. With that, I will conclude for today. Next day, we'll be discussing about if else as well as repetition. I hope that part we have not done, right? If else and repetition, have we done? While loop, for loops.
Yeah.
We completed it. Have we completed?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Then we have done that as well. Okay, let's quickly refresh that and do more exercises next day. Okay. Goodbye.
But